like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Wait.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this wig that was sent to me from LUVME Hair. You guys know I've reviewed LUVME Hair several times on my YouTube channel. So this time around, they sent me this closure pixie cut curly wig. As you can see, the wig came already bleached and the hairline looks really pre-plucked. So I'm just going to style this wig. The wig came already as a side part, but you guys know now I love my C side part. So I applied wax stick on the hair and I'm using my hot comb to flatten it out. I'm going to create another pattern on this wig, nothing too different from the one it came with, but just to enhance it a little bit the way I like mine. So after parting the wig to my liking, I went ahead and added baby hair. I mean, what is curly hair without baby hair? You guys know everything now. So I added more wax stick and I continue to use my hot comb to flatten that part.
See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my...
So I took out one strand of hair from the parting line to make it cleaner and more defined, if you know what I mean.
Money comes to me easily. Money comes to me fast. Money loves my company. When money comes, it lasts. Peace comes to me easily. Peace comes to me fast. Peace loves my company. When peace comes, it lasts. Joy comes to me easily. Joy comes to me fast. Joy loves my company. When joy comes.
So to lay down the edges, I'll be using the Gorilla Snot Gel and the Lotta Body Styling Mousse.
When money comes, it lasts. Peace comes to me easily. Peace comes to me fast. Peace loves my company. When peace comes, it lasts.
Money comes to me easily. Money comes to me.
So to define the coils, I'll be using water and leave-in conditioner. So first I sprayed the water on the hair to make it damp, and then I went ahead and applied the leave-in conditioner. Nothing too much, just a little, just to, you know, moisturize and make the hair softer. The hair is already soft, but you know, we just have to define the coils to make it look even more beautiful. Then I went ahead and used my Derma brush to brush out the hair, at the same time define the coils. Right now I'm applying the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator Foundation inside of the lace to make it blend into my skin perfectly well. And also I will go ahead and cut the lace in a zigzag motion. That way it melts into my skin. Don't forget to cut your lace in a zigzag motion. Okay guys?
Telling me them go slow. Them are feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down.
Just take a look at how beautiful this wig looks on my mannequin. I was so jealous that I had to, you know, try on this wig on myself. Like, why not? So this is me wearing the wig. As you can see, it looks so flawless. And I'm just trying to show you guys that I did not glue down this wig. Just look at how the lace melted into my skin. The lace is so thin, and the good thing is HD as well, which makes it blend into my skin perfectly well. Let me tell you guys, ever since I tried on this wig, I've been rocking it like every single day, and I've gotten so many compliments. And like I said before, this wig is from LUVME Hair. I'll leave every details of this wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Show now. Oh yeah. See the girls go be a gold digger.